Thank you for joining us for the weekly wrap-up. I'm Bianca Pantoja. In celebration of Women's History Month, female leaders inspired our students to dream big.
The first question, what is your story?
Imagine, believe, achieve. Women leaders from education, architecture, law enforcement, and other industries return to school, not as students, but as inspiration for the next generation.
So today I challenge you, imagine what's possible, believe in yourself, and take action to achieve your dreams. Remember, your future isn't written yet. You are the author of your own success story. So remember to keep those 3 words close to your heart. Imagine, believe, and achieve.
From the first African-American female associate superintendent in the Kern High School District to the architect who helped bring CTEC to life, these trailblazing women shared their journeys, hoping to ignite passion and purpose in our female students. The annual Women in Careers event creates a powerful connection between students and phenomenal women in our community, proving that success has no limits.
My hope is that not only that they can just dream about something or of a career, maybe they've never thought they could be that in life, but not only can they just dream about it and see others, but they can actually do it and achieve and actually be that person, successful woman here in Bakersfield, California, and then wherever else they may take it to.
A special thank you to our guest speakers for mentoring and empowering our students, reminding them that their future is full of possibilities. The Regional Occupational Center recently hosted the Industrial Rig Welding event, giving students in the evening welding program a unique hands-on experience with industry professionals. Welders set up shop at ROC, working alongside with students, answering questions, and demonstrating the specialized equipment used on the job.
95% of these students in the evening, their desire is to become a rig welder or welder in the industry, either structural or pipe welder. So there's always different type of welding out there, different style, different procedures, and that's why today this event is for them to see it and to pretty much get their hands on, because this gentleman here, they're going to be willing to let them borrow the tools and they'll be able to use a machine that is being used in the oil fields or refinery or in pipeline.
ROC's welding course equips students with essential skills in various welding techniques while emphasizing safety, equipment operation, and industry standards. The program prepares students for certifications and entry-level careers in the field. To learn more about the welding program, please visit roc.kernhigh.org. The KHSD Poder program hosted its annual spring forum with this year's theme as Super Hermanas, bringing together students from across the district to celebrate the power of sisterhood, mentorship, and community. With an inspiring lineup of speakers, the event aimed to empower our students to chase their dreams and connect with powerful role models.
If you don't ask, nothing's ever going to come your way. So it's just always know what you want and keep at it. And I did, and here I am today, Director of Marketing and still in Bakersfield.
Students were able to connect with speakers, ask questions, and receive advice that could shape their future careers. For one student, it was a perfect moment of opportunity.
I was just talking to my advisor, telling her that I want to do digital marketing, and then I saw her come out, and her story and her experiences were just so inspiring. And then later I had a conversation with her, and she gave me her business card, her personal information, and it honestly felt like a sign, and it was just so perfect for me.
Students also engaged in interactive activities, learning the importance of supporting one another while empowering leadership. March is Youth Art Month, a time to celebrate creativity and artistic expression. Talented students from across the district are showcasing their incredible work at the Art Center Gallery in downtown Bakersfield. This year's exhibit, Healing Through Color, highlights the power of art to inspire and uplift. You can check out their amazing work firsthand as the Youth Art Month exhibit is open through March 27th at 1607 19th Street.
Thank you for watching the KHSD Weekly Wrap-up. To see more videos from across the district, please visit the Kern High School District Public Information Office YouTube channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.